Here's Katie Scarlett's movie. Katie Scarlett is 4 weeks yesterday. Katie Scarlett, do you like that? How about this? How about this? And this is her. Here she is. That's her back side. That's her front side. Hi, little Katie Scarlett. She's a little bit sleepy. She ate food. Hey, little Katie Scarlett. Hey, little girl. Hi, little girl. Hi. Back our toys. You gonna roll over? Gonna roll over? This is better. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Huh? You gonna get it or you gonna go to sleep? You gonna get it or you gonna go to sleep? Oh, you got your hand. Yeah? Sorry for the little shake. You get it? Bless you. Bless you. Oh, where we go? Boink. There you can see all her color. Oh, you can get the toy. Yes. We're gonna walk around a little, huh? We're gonna walk around a little. Hi. Hi there. You know, she likes to be held. She's coming to me, huh?